Hello everyone! In this video I'm gonna show you how to create multiple augmented reality scenes in one project. By sequentially pointing your camera over each of the images, you will be able to see new models appearing in AR. To create such projects, you need a business or studio plan. Let's get started. First, you need to create several image tracking projects. Each project should have an image as a marker. This image will be the page of our future book. In this case, it's gonna be a magazine page. Let's start creating our project. First of all, we need to log into our account. As you can see, my plan allows me to create books. But we need to create several projects of the image tracking type before we proceed to create a multi-marker project. To create a project, click on the Add New Project button. We need to enter the name of our project into the project name field and a unique address that will be a link to this project in the project URL field. Now we need to select image tracking. I would advise you not to use the first image you can find on your computer, as for the best performance, this image should meet the following requirements. High level of contrast. A difference in the shades helps to find more anchor points. Avoid repeated patterns or shapes. Similar objects can negatively affect the tracking performance. High level of detail. The more unique objects there is on the image, the better it will be recognized. Anchor points distribution. For best results, the anchor points should be evenly distributed across the image. Use square or angular shapes as they produce more points. Now that our image meets all of the requirements, let's upload it. Click on the Upload Image button. After it's done, a scene will be opened in the editor. Now we can add augmented reality objects and set up the lighting. In this case, we are going to add the 3D model of a house. Let's adjust the lighting and the object itself. Next, we need to save our project by clicking on the Save button. In this case, we don't need to scan a QR code, as we will not launch this AR project directly. Let's create another image tracking project, but with a different image and objects to complete our book. We need to do the same things we did with the first project. All done. Now we have two image tracking projects that will become book pages, but we need to combine them into one book. To do so, let's leave the editor screen and go to the dashboard. Go to the Books tab. Click on the Add Book button. The page selection window will appear. Here we can see three fields. Book caption. This is the name of the book. Front page, the first page of our book. And book link, that will be used to access your augmented reality experience. Let's enter our details and click Add. The book has been created, but we need to add one more page. To do so, we need to select the book on the list. In this case, we only have one page available as we have two image tracking projects. The first page is already included. Click on the Add Page button. One book can have up to 50 pages. Let's save everything by clicking on the Save button, and now our book is ready. Let's see what it looks like in augmented reality. We need to go back to the book list by clicking on the Back to List button. Next, we need to click on the QR button of our book. You will see a QR code that you can scan from the screen of your computer or print out and stick it on a book, just like we did in this video. Now we can point our camera over one image and then move it to the other. As you can see, both augmented reality scenes are working through one camera. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.